Today I'm going to show you how to create a creative resume using Canva. In the previous tutorial, you should have created a Canva account. So now we'll get started with going to templates, resume, then gonna filter out by simple, then free. And I want to use this template today, so we'll click on it, then select customize this template. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make my template bigger, and then I do want to make this an LR inspired resume, so I'm gonna go to uploads, and I already have the logo uploaded, but I'll show you how to do it. So I'll first get started by clicking upload media, device, then I'm gonna scroll down until I find the image that I want to use, so UO logo, and once it uploads I can grab it out here, and I'll show you why I did it first in a second. So I'm gonna make this smaller so it fits the placement that I want. So I'm happy with it right here. So now right here I'm gonna switch this to my name, but since this is a LR inspired resume, I want to switch this font to blue. So what I'm gonna do now is close out of this, open the color wheel, that's not what I'm doing, select this, and then it already picked the colors from the picture, so we'll use the Arizona blue and then we'll switch this to blue as well. I want to change the big titles to red. So if you hit change all, it's going to change all of your cells, but I want to do blue instead. So change all, just the big titles that we want in red. Red, red, red. In red. Alright. So now I don't have a home phone number, so I'll take this out. Then I'm gonna go to my original resume, grab my phone number, paste it. Then I'm gonna grab my email, then I'm gonna grab my LinkedIn account link, and then I'm gonna grab my address. Alright, so now we go to work experience. So this one you have to type out for some reason because the formatting gets pretty annoying. Student operations worker. Just this line is not a big deal anyways. So now I go over here, copy this part, And then I'll put July 2021. And then I'll grab my bullet points and add them. So essentially this is how you do it. Now I'm gonna add effects. So effect, I want to make effects to my logo. So let's see what is available that we can add. Don't like any of these effects, maybe you can use animate. So you like this one, so I'm gonna use it. So now I'm gonna do page animations and see what else I want to add. So I like the rise factor as well. So I'm gonna add the rise factor. The good thing about Canva is it auto-saves, so you never have to lose your work. Alright, so everything's good. All changes saved. Now I left my design. Now I open it. So once we hit play, our Canva works. But as you can see here, the spacing is not so good over here. So what I'm gonna do is make this bigger again, scroll down, and try to figure out what part is missing in it. So drag this down a little bit, and then I see the languages spoken is the issue, so we'll try to grab that one out. So since I can't, here's what I'm gonna do. Make this just a tiny bit smaller. And then I'm gonna move this back just a little tiny bit so it fits. Now it's saved. I'm gonna play it, and it works. And this is how you create a creative resume in Canva.